Tonight, we are speaking with a local prosecutor to learn how the charges the officer is facing would translate under Missouri law. ABC 17's Sydney Olson is live in Columbia for us tonight. And Sydney, you both talked about what the case would look like here.
Deb, I spoke with Assistant Prosecutor here in Boone County, Marty Swingle, about that wanton endangerment charge and the closest thing that we have to it here in Missouri.
But if you had a fact situation similar to that in Missouri, you'd be looking at either involuntary manslaughter in the first degree or involuntary manslaughter in the second degree.
Swingle says even though former police officer Hankinson is not facing charges for killing Taylor, as a prosecutor, he would look at the fact that the officers were not looking for their suspect in the right place, moving quickly to use force.
Looking at the officer that planned the whole thing, you would say, was he criminally negligent? And if you felt you could prove it, it'd be involuntary manslaughter in the second degree.
Police officers in Missouri can also do no-knock warrants under a federal statute with a judge's permission if they feel the officers would put their lives in danger by giving a warning they were there. But he says in Missouri, typically, if officers are in plain clothes, they will enter after uniformed officers.
And, that's a good practice because if a person sees somebody in uniform, it's a police officer rather than somebody invading your home. So that's another reason why I don't think that exact situation would happen very often in Missouri.
The group People's Defense, who has been protesting in Columbia for more than 100 days, was chanting Breonna Taylor's name tonight. Members of the group said today's indictment was an injustice to the African-American community. One member told me they don't understand how the people in the neighboring apartment were in more danger than Taylor herself. Swingle says today's indictment could result in more training for officers across the nation on how to take care when executing search warrants, especially no-knock search warrants. Reporting live in Columbia, Sydney Olson, ABC 17 News.
You can find the exact definition of wanted endangerment in both first and second degree involuntary manslaughter on our website at abc17news.com. This, of